Dude, what if I told you there's a tech-loaded electric SUV that costs way less than a Tesla Model Y, but in real life, it might actually make Tesla feel overpriced? I just spent a week with the 2026 BYD Song Plus, and bro, this thing shocked me.
This is the 2026 BYD Song Plus, available as a plug-in hybrid and a full EV, starting around $30K depending on the market. Big headline: BYD's Blade Battery tech and a real-world driving range that absolutely destroys range anxiety. We're talking up to 600+ miles combined in the PHEV. And in a country still dealing with gas prices and long commutes, yeah, that matters. Now here's what surprised me most. That massive, rotating 15-inch screen isn't a gimmick. Flip it vertical for navigation and traffic, horizontal for media. It just works. Interior quality, soft touch materials, clean ambient lighting, and seats that are actually comfortable on long drives. Rear space is legit too. This is a real family SUV, not just a tech toy.
Put it next to the Tesla Model Y, which is easily $45K plus, and things get interesting. Tesla still wins on raw speed and charging network, but the BYD gives you way more flexibility, especially with that hybrid backup. Against the Chevrolet Equinox EV, the BYD feels more premium inside and way less stressful for long-distance driving. But here's the real talk. BYD's biggest weakness isn't the car, it's the dealer and service network, especially in the US. That said, the Blade Battery, safer, more stable in heat, and honestly, just reliable. If you want EV tech, hybrid flexibility, and real value, this might be the smartest SUV nobody's talking about. Skip it if service access worries you. But honestly, this could be a game changer for normal people, not just Tesla fans. So tell me, are you picking this over a Model Y? Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the garage.